अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सबसे पहले तो मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना, शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियोस होंगी वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन की जरिए में पहुँचेंगी। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, हाउ टू वी ग्रो मिंट एट होम। हम घर में पुदीना किस तरह मतलब उगा सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक। सबसे पहले उसका पॉइंट है चूजिंग द राइट मिंट एंड प्लांटिंग मेथड। Growing mint begins with selecting the right type. There are many varieties of mint, including spearmint, peppermint, lemon mint, and chocolate mint, each with its own distinct aroma and flavor. Spearmint is commonly used in cooking, while peppermint is ideal for teas and medical use. Once you chosen your variety, you can grow mint from seed, cutting or by buying small nursery plants. Starting the cutting is the easiest and fastest method. Simply take a 4-6 inch stem from an inside existing plant, remove the bottom leaves and place in it the water. In about a week, roots will start to form a cutting can that be planted in soil. दूसरा पॉइंट है पुटिंग वर्सेस ग्राउंड प्लांटिंग। Mint is a fast-spreading plant that can quickly become invasive if not properly contained. This is why growing mint in pots or containers is highly recommended. Use a container that is at least 8-10 inches wide and has good drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the roots. If you prefer to plant in the ground, it wise to bury a bottomless container or use root barrier to control the plant separate. The soil should be well draining and rich in organic matters with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Adding compost to the soil can boost nutrition and help the plant thrive. Third is sunlight, watering and soil requirement. Mint grow well in areas that receive partial shade to full sunlight, ideally 4 to 6 hours of light per day. Place the pot in a bright area such as a sunny window, wills, balcony and garden corner. Mint loves moisture, so the soil should be kept consistently moist but not soggy. Water the plant, but the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering or poor drainage can lead to root. So ensure excess water can escape the pot in hot summer months. You may need to water daily while cooler season may only require watering every few days. A layer of mulch on the top of the soil can help retain moisture and keep weeds away. आगे है मेंटेन एंड पेस्ट कंट्रोल। टू मेंटेन अ healthy and busy mint plant, regular pruning is essential. Pinching of the tips encourage the plant to grow more side branches, resulting in the fuller growth. If flower appear, it's best to remove the early, as flowering can make the leaves taste bitter and slow down growth. While mint is generally pest resistant, it can occasionally attract aphid, spider mites, and whiteflies. These can be treated with organic insecticidal soap or neem oil. Mint can also suffer from fungal disease like powdery mildew or rust, especially if airflow is poor. Keep planting separate apart and avoid overhead watering to reduce the risk of fungal infection. Fifth, the harvesting and seasonal care. Mint can be harvested once if reached about 4 to 6 inches in height. Cut the stem above a set of leaves to encourage a new growth. You can use fresh mint immediately to dry it by hanging bundle upside down in a dry, shaded area. Store dried mint in an airtight container for later use. As a perennial herb, mint will die back in winter and regrow in spring. In cooler climate, protect the outdoor mint with mulch or bring potted plants indoor during frost. Even indoors, place in the pot in a sunny window to keep the plant active through the cooler months. So guys, अब आपने क्या करना है, मुझे देनी है इजाज़त लेने से पहले मेरी आपसे दर्श है, आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारे आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियो होंगे वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन की सूरत में बनेगी। तब तक के लिए स्टे लेजेंडरी।